Tilly the brave turtle. Tilly is a small turtle. She lives near a pono with her family. Tilly walks slowly, but she is very smart. She loves to look at the sky, flowers, and bugs. One day, the sky turns dark. The wind blows hard. Boom, crash, a big storm comes. Tilly sees baby ducks near the water. They are scared. Quack, quack, help, they cry. The water is rising. The baby ducks can't swim well yet. Tilly is scared too, but she takes a deep breath. I must help them, she says. Tilly walks into the rain. Follow me, she says to the ducklings. She shows them the way to a tall rock. Climb here, it is safe, says Tilly. The ducklings climb up. Tilly stays with them until the rain stops. Later, Mama Duck comes. My babies. She cries. Thank you, Tilly, you are so brave. Tilly smiles. I was scared, but I had to help. From that day, all the animals call her Tilly the Brave.